gonna tell you how to install this mod. I don't know how. I don't have a link to this video. Anyways, link to the video. Sorry, little one. Zero, bro. Sorry. I got this mod simulator. It's a best mod I can have. I need the books. Look at combo. What can I do? And it's a little weird, but anyway. I'm gonna teach you how to really install this mod. I have some wood. And bruh. Ting 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 ting. Give me the shovel. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. I'm not gonna need that. Ting 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 ting. Bruh. Stick maybe? What? Oh my god, this island, bro. This dito. Dito ako sa akin. Lang. Mommy, give me that. Also, I am in Philippines. I am not in the American. Mommy, I'm vlogging. I'm gonna post this to video. Okay. Like and subscribe, guys. Please, I need it. Like and subscribe. Guys, like and subscribe. If we get 1 subscribers, I swear to God, I'ma jump out the building. Nah, I'm just joking. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to download it. Okay. Bro, stop. You gonna need this. Just type this gun mod on and type that. You will see this downloaded. Finish. This is gonna do. cellphone. Ba. Okay. Find this and just I already installed the mods. Mod. Just install this. Just went to install and just go in. If you see open game, click that and you're done. Goodbye. Like and subscribe, please.